Hey fella. Yeah, there's a bug I provided for you. Yeah, let me introduce you to the bug. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's all right, it's all right, it's all right. There you go, there you go. There's a bug. There's a bug. Yeah. Let's see if I can put this camera down. Let's see. I swear this bug. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now you're on my hand. Yeah. Yeah, you're fine. Now there's a bug on the other side. Would you eat the bug? Do you see the bug? Do you see the bug? Right there. There's a bug. Yeah, eat the bug. Eat the bug. Eat the bug. It's food. It's the only food I got for you. It's right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay, guy. Looking at me is not going to help. You got to look the other way. Oh, what to do? Okay, well, I'm going to leave you and the bug overnight, I guess. Should I leave the light on? Sorry you can't fly. I don't know what's wrong with you, but at least I saved you from the cat and the blue jays. The blue jays were going to kill you. Okay, well, tell you what, I'm just going to get up and let this go. Now, if the bug is gone in the morning, it's in your stomach, I trust. In the morning, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'll check on you later.